Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. Hope things are going well for you and you're feeling like you're getting into a little bit of a rhythm as the semester gets going. I know it takes me a little bit to just kind of get into the groove again and get my schedule going and know what my expectations are of myself, and hopefully you're getting there. I thought we could go over what's coming up for week 3 and go through that together a little bit. I had started videoing this already, and then right in the middle of it got called for delivery, so I had to start over. But delivery went great. Nice baby girl, so we'll just start new. So this week, for your readings, we'll do Jarvis chapters and some Varney chapters, which are listed there. There's also some things for you to read and to watch within this module. And then there is a case study, which is a collaborative assignment. And if you click into there, it tells you that you'll have one member of your group copy the slide deck template and then share it with all the group members and your instructor. And then each group member should complete one of the slides, answering the question that's posed there. And then have that have your name in the speaker notes section of the slide so we know who did each slide. And then you're going to have one member upload all the compiled slides into the forum by Thursday at midnight. And just make sure you have just one person do it, because if everybody individually uploads it, then it becomes a chaotic mess. So just everybody have one person in your group upload it. And then the second half of the week, you have to look at the everybody's posts and go through and answer the questions. Select 2 slides from another group to respond to. So that is that assignment. And then we have the cultural forum, which a couple people have already asked questions about. I see a few people have already started working on. And that's kind of an interesting one. You want to look at an ethnic group that's maybe more prevalent in your community. You can go to ethnomed.org to kind of get started. You want to research their beliefs regarding nutrition and pregnancy and postpartum, and also infant nutrition if you can find it. And then you're going to respond to just one peer who selected a different ethnic group than you did, and note the differences and similarities, make suggestions on how you may educate in a sensitive manner, etc. So that's the forum. And then we have your adult education paper that you can need to submit by the end of the week. You can read through the directions here. You're going to go over your Knowles assumptions, and if you go back to the week 1 readings, that's where that was originally listed, if you forgot. There are 6 assumptions that he goes through, and number 3 here says, which of Knowles' 6 assumptions do you find it easiest to relate to and apply when teaching, why, etc. Your paper should be 2 to 4 pages in length, which does not include the title page or your references, and make sure you're using your APA. Refer to your 7th edition manual, especially paying close attention to your reference list and then your in-text citations. Takes a while to get back into the groove of doing those again. Also freshen up those skills. And then you're going to upload that as a Word document into the Moodle assignment link for the class. It also talks down here about using Turnitin, and you just want to make sure that you use that to make sure that under 15% of your document is not matching, so we know that it's an authentic document that you have created yourself. You could submit it as many times as you want to until the due date to get to the under 15% as you make changes and modify your assignment a little bit. And then you finish the week with quiz 1, which covers the first 3 weeks of class. So that's kind of a very brief overview of what's coming up for the week. It's a lot of assignments, but none of them are terribly big, so I think you'll do just fine. If you have questions, reach out to us. I don't have a specific devotion for this week. My challenge for you this week was just to spend 10 minutes a day in intentional stress reduction for yourself. So I want you to actually think about reducing your stress and giving yourself that gift of 10 minutes a day on that. And that could look like anything. It could be meditating, 10 minutes of reading a book of your choice, not homework book, walking the dog, singing, taking a bath, something that's intentional every day for 10 minutes this week. Could be something different every day too, it doesn't matter. That's good, just self-care, and you'll need that for school, and you'll need that in your career, and you'll need that in every relationship. So it's good to take care of yourself, and we often forget that. As nurses especially, we're not the best at that. So take care of yourselves, have a great week, find some joy in every day, and reach out if you have questions. Thanks!